Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and in this video I'm going to share with you all how we can improve the health of our brain by eating healthy. So keep watching the video. The brain is the vital organ of human body with limitless potentials. The brain is the most complex organ that controls everything in our body and regulates every process, including vision, touch, temperature, hunger, taste, breathing, thoughts, emotions, intelligence, body movements, controlling behavior, and interpreting all our senses. The brain controls and coordinates all our actions and reactions, allowing us to think, feel, and memorize. The brain comprises of about 60% of fat and 40% of water, carbohydrate, protein, and salt combined. It is just like a CPU of human body that receives data from all other parts of the body and decides how to respond. The unique function of the brain makes it special and an essential part of human body, and these include action and its reactions, attentions and concentrations, language and its articulation, awareness, mental flexibility and stability, creativity and intelligence, coordination and organization. The brain receives information through 5 senses: sight, smell, hear, taste, and touch. It gives us emotions and feelings like happiness, sadness, anger, fear, excitement, and many more that makes us human beings. So it is crucial to take care of the brain from both outside and inside. This can be done by eating healthy, taking sufficient amount of rest, and feeding all your senses with positivity. So let's look at a few food nutrients that can boost the brain health. Even though every nutrient is necessary for body's overall health and well-being, certain nutrients can positively affect specific body parts. A few nutrients that can boost brain health according to various researches are omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, water, and a few other nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids are the unsaturated fats mainly found in the fish oil. These fatty acids are essential for the structure of cell walls, provide energy, and helps to maintain a healthy heart, brain, lungs, and immune system. Studies show that omega-3 fatty acids positively impact our brain. They are known to support the brain function like thinking and memory. Omega-3 in diet can increase critical thinking and intellectual performance. We all have heard about how DHA is good for our brain. This DHA, or the docosahexaenoic acid, is an omega-3 fatty acid, a primary structural component of human brain. This is essential for brain development in early childhood and maintenance of normal brain functions in adults. Most fish are considered excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, including salmon, sardines, mackerel, oysters, fish oil, eggs. Apart from fish, omega-3 fatty acids are also found in flaxseed, chia seed, walnuts, soybean, and spinach. But we will talk about more food that contains fatty acids later in this video. Vitamins are organic molecules and essential micronutrient required by the body for development and proper function. B vitamins are considered excellent for brain health, especially vitamin B9, the folate, and vitamin B12, the cobalamin. The energy produced by the nutrients helps grow new brain cells. B vitamins helps to lower the risk of dementia and reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, eggs, and milk are very good source of B vitamins. Other than B vitamin, vitamin E is also considered healthy for the brain. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant which helps to reduce oxidative stress in the brain, keeping it healthy. Research has shown that food high in vitamin E helps to improve cognitive functions and memory power, which helps in thinking, remembering, decision making, attention, and language comprehension. Nuts, seeds, green vegetables, and vegetables oil are considered good source of vitamin E. Just like the vitamins, minerals are also required for the development, proper function and formation of hormones and enzymes in our body. The micronutrient mineral like sodium, calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron and iodine are essential for the brain health. Calcium is considered crucial for the brain as it helps the brain cells to communicate, regulates neuronal functions like synthesis and release of neurotransmitter. And just like calcium, sodium is also essential for the brain. Sodium is an electrolyte that controls the water in and around the cells of our body. When the sodium concentration in the body is abnormally low, the water enters the brain resulting in cerebral edema or swelling. Thus, minerals also contribute significantly to our thinking, learning and other cognitive abilities. We get all the necessary minerals from our everyday diet, so most of the time supplements are not needed. Human brain is made up of 80% of water, making it a necessary nutrient for the brain. Water plays a vital role in brain function. It helps carry some nutrients to the brain, allows the brain cells to communicate with each other and removes toxins. Studies show that when the brain is dehydrated, the cells don't function properly and the cognitive abilities also reduce. For example, low concentration, trouble in learning, trouble in thinking and paying attention. So it is essential to keep ourselves hydrated for a healthy brain. Drinking sufficient amount of water helps the brain function correctly, increases focus and concentration, reduces headaches. It also increases the blood and oxygen flow to the brain, which ultimately improves the cognitive performance. Apart from these nutrients, flavonoids, caffeine and lycopene are also considered excellent for the brain health. Dietary flavonoids contains neuroprotective properties, suppress neuroinflammation and promotes memory. Different types of berries, red cabbage, green vegetables and tea are considered good source of dietary flavonoids. Caffeine is also known as a brain booster. It helps in more focus and concentration. But whether caffeine is good or bad for health has always been debated. But studies show that caffeine is safe for human consumption, but excess intake can be harmful. And finally, the lycopene, which is a red carotenoid pigment present in the tomatoes and other red fruits. These lycopene contains antioxidant properties which help to reduce the oxidative stress, keeping the brain healthy. So here are the foods that you should eat to keep your brain healthy. For omega-3 fatty acids, you can eat fatty fish like sardines, mackerel, salmon, hilsa, katla, mrigal, catfish, prawns, etc. For vegetarian substitute, you can have some chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, walnuts, different kind of beans, soya beans. For vitamins and minerals, include green leafy vegetables like spinach, collards, mustard greens, different types of legumes, eggs, milk, nuts and whole grains to your diet. And fruits including apples, oranges, grapefruit, avocados, peach, plum, cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, bok choy, kale, Brussels sprout, etc. to your everyday diet. For flavonoids, caffeine and lycopene, you can have some amount of green tea, onions, lettuce, coffee, cola nuts, energy drinks, tomatoes, grapefruit and strawberries. Brain health depends not only on what we should eat but also on the food we should avoid to keep our brain even more healthy. We should prevent food high in sugar and refined carbohydrates like white flour, corn flour, table sugar, etc. The elevated glucose level in the bloodstream can harm the brain, causing slow cognitive function and decreased attention and memory. Avoid food high in trans fat and saturated fats. As I mentioned earlier, our brain comprises 60% of fat, so giving it the right fat is necessary. Food high in saturated fat can cause harm to the brain, resulting in less focus, memory loss, and impaired critical thinking. Eat food that are high in unsaturated fats like nuts, seeds, whole grain, etc. to keep the brain healthy. Apart from these, avoid eating artificial sweeteners, deep fried food, highly processed food, food high in mercury, excess alcohol, and excess coffee. Now I'm sure you must be wondering how the food will go to your brain and make it healthy, keep you focused, attentive, and intelligent after eating all that good food. Well, just like the food nutrient go to the different part of our bodies, similarly it nourishes our brain. When we eat food, it travels down to the stomach. The digestive enzymes are released to break down the food, and all these actions are controlled by the brain. Once the food is broken down and forms a paste, it travels further down to the small intestine, where most of the nutrients from the food are absorbed by the intestinal walls. The circulatory system carries these nutrients to different parts of our body, including our brain, to be used or stored for further use. So eating balanced and nutritious food can keep us healthy. Food that is rich in essential nutrients is not only needed for a healthy brain but also for overall well-being. All the necessary nutrients are readily available in our everyday diet. Just eat proper and healthy. Add more fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds to balance your diet. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure it was a bit informative. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com. And now you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.